I'm here on the matter. I couldn't
see
hear.
All right, Mr. Riley, thank you for, that was gonna be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, my honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen.
Welcome back to the courtroom, where logic meets lunacy, and today, it's leaning heavily toward lunacy. Our defendant, Mr. Riley, has arrived armed with ancient scrolls of pseudo-legal gibberish and a confidence level unmatched by any actual lawyer. He calls himself a Moorish American and insists that the 13th and 14th Amendments somehow don't apply to him, as if that's a free pass out of paying rent. This one is going to be a ride. Watch closely, because what starts as a simple eviction hearing quickly spirals into a full-blown performance of myth and misunderstanding. Let's see how long the judge's patience holds up before reality strikes back.
By inheritance, but not by purchase. Moorish pedigree. I am competent. I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am. All rights preserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 77869, March 25th.
At this point, you can almost feel the courtroom shifting from confusion to disbelief. Mr. Riley's speech is filled with terms like elodium, ancestral pedigree, and I am that I am, phrases that sound powerful but mean absolutely nothing in court. This is a classic sovereign citizen tactic. Overwhelm the room with long, archaic words, hoping no one questions their meaning. But here's the truth. None of this has any legal standing. The court doesn't care about astrology or ancient Moorish treaties. It cares about facts, contracts, and rent. What's tragic is that people like him truly believe these scripts will save them when all they do is seal their own fate.
1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar, 1368. Copyright owner, C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD. MC 1368. Certificate registration number AA209316, March 31st, 1952, AD, MC 1327, Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography, Clock of Destiny 2, of certificate registration number AA222141, September 8th, 1952, AD, MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, all Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without a doubt affirming relationship of the relationship properly venue as law between the Moorish Franks and all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1320.
And here we go, the Clock of Destiny. Sounds mystical, right? Like something you'd find in an adventure novel, not a legal defense. But for many Moorish adherents, it's treated as gospel. Mr. Riley starts listing serial numbers and dates as if he's reciting sacred law. The problem? None of this applies to property disputes or evictions. The court runs on jurisdiction, not zodiac charts. This is a tragic example of how misinformation online can warp someone's sense of reality. He's not arguing about unpaid rent anymore, he's defending a belief system. And in this courtroom, beliefs don't override legal documents.
Apply to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish.
Brian Riley and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Riley, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I want to prompt you to.
A minute. Okay. For the record, my name is Brian D. Raleigh.
Now we reach the breaking point. Mr. Riley cites U.S. Code Title 8, Section 1324. But instead of proving his case, he accidentally references a law about harboring illegal aliens. You can't make this up. This is the sovereign citizen downfall in a nutshell, quoting real laws completely out of context. What's worse, they do it with unshakable confidence. It's not that these individuals are uneducated, many are smart, but they're trapped in an echo chamber that rewards delusion over truth. The judge knows it, the lawyers know it, and yet Mr. Riley stands firm, believing every word is his shield against accountability.
Hello?
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5/2023. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches zero. And then after the balance is zero, he will.
In the end, the court patiently cuts through the fog. Mr. Riley is ordered to pay his outstanding rent through a structured payment plan, a fair and merciful resolution considering the circus that preceded it. The judge's calm composure throughout this case is a masterclass in judicial restraint. What we witnessed wasn't just a courtroom exchange, it was a collision between legal reality and ideological fantasy. And it's a reminder, no amount of pseudo-law can protect you from real-world responsibility. If you found this courtroom breakdown as jaw-dropping as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more explosive cases where fact and fiction go head-to-head right here on Talking Judge.